we're in Glasgow aside from the West End and Byers. West End and...
So you were just laughing at someone else doing fast reverse driving, so I let it go. Turns out it's quite scary. Not doing that again. Ugh. I need to,
That's turning out of habit. It's actually, I can feel quite a lot of sweating thing going on.
Don't put my window down.
Oh, sorry. Are you supposed to wind down?
No, the aircon doesn't work like that.
Oh, I'm just going to get a breeze before it built up.
That enough of a breeze?
Ah, that's lovely. Let's open that up too. Oh,
yeah.
There we go.
So you
That's
just
what we want.
My clothes. We made it. We made it. Well, let's go to the Garden gas station.
They've got a cost down there, don't they? And John.
And a Starbucks.
Do they?
Yeah, it's just above it.
Oh shit, I don't know.
Well, because I'll park in the car park.
I don't know. Either way.
I think it'll be the best.
Is that not going to end up being really expensive, the car park?
It'll be £2 or £4.
Okay. Because some of these shopping centres can be quite ridiculous price-wise. Parking-wise, sorry.
I should miss this.
Oh, yeah, we definitely came in and left, I'm pretty sure.
Or could go to Grey Head.
I actually don't mind.
That is free parking and it's kind of on the way. It's
Well,
not the
just
worst
think,
feature,
like-
because I'll take the Erskine Bridge and I'll be on the bottom. Yeah, we'll do
For
that.
getting back to the... Because I'll need to get back to the train station anyway, so is that going to be awkward or is it going to be no different?
We'll just need to build it into the time of build. Just because it's further out of town.
How long will it take to get from there to the train station?
Actually not that long because we won't be going... No, I think that was quick. It'll be worst case half an hour.
Okay, that's fine then. So as long as we left by like 6:15, that's fine.
But I'm just thinking the reason for doing that is because I'll actually avoid the Great Western Road traffic.
That's fine. I'm not bothered where, just as long as you get me to the train in time, I'm happy.
Oh, I have to get you to the train,
I mean, unless you can put me in the direction of the bus or wherever to go, then as long as you help me get there, I'm fine.
You really think I'm not going to take you to the train station?
Yeah, well, you just said you think I'm going to take you.
You just assume.
Well, what else is you think I'm going to take you going to mean?
Of course I'll take you. Might get another
I never
text,
thought you'd be against
so-
moving. I never thought you'd be against giving me a lift. So I assumed. I definitely think if it was like a sunny day, like you took like a picnic and all that, you could be there all day quite happily, even with kids.
Oh, you could.
Wait.
Fuck.
Gosh,
That's totally didn't pay attention there.
your car looks fine.
No, I'm not. Guys, it's an accident, right? Accidents happen.